Guys, another day, another dollar. This is going to be the shortest lesson ever. Okay, so that's why just at the beginning of this lesson I gave you the exercise already. Okay, so but then this exercise will only make sense once you have watched this video. Okay, so I hope you guys are well, and then without any waste of time, today guys, I just want us to do exponential equation. I think this should be part 9, né? I think on the previous videos we stopped by part 8, so this should be part 9 of exponents and sets. Okay, exponents and sets. So this is part 9 of exponents and sets. I'm sorry about that, guys. Part 9 of exponents and sets, and then our subtopic is exponential equations. Okay, exponential equations. Okay, so this is our subtopic. Yeah, so we have done exponent, guys, and then we know a lot about them. So I'm just going to hit the road. Just from here, I'm just going to hit the road. Okay, so let us attempt example 13. Okay, example 13. So on this example, we have 2 exponent x. It's equals to 1 over 16. Okay, so how do we deal about this? So quickly, we are going to apply things that we have learned about exponents. Okay, the definition and the laws of the exponent. Okay, so 2 exponent x, we will just rewrite it the same way as it is, and then this side we are just going to apply 16 exponent minus 1. So we applied this definition. You guys, I hope you know it, and then from there we are not done. So remember, I always, guys, advise you that whenever you are having a base and you are dealing with exponents, especially exponential equations, just make sure that all your bases are prime numbers. Okay, so 16 is not a prime number, but then to make it a prime number, you can write it as 2 exponent 4, just like that, and then don't forget that minus 1 there. Okay, then now simply you will just notice that 2 will be exponent minus 4. Okay, and then now I tell you that since you are having the same basis in the equation, you are allowed to deal away with the basis and drop the exponent. So meaning that you deal away with the base 2 and base 2, you just throw them away, and then you remain with x. It's equals to minus 4, just like that. Okay, and you are done with it. Let's do b. On b, okay, let us change this color and let us use this one. So for b, we have 3 times 5 exponent x. It is equals to 0.6. Okay, so remember, guys, I taught you on the previous videos that if you have a decimal and you are dealing with exponents, make sure that you change those decimals to fractions. Okay, so 0.6, it is the same as 6 over 10. I hope we are together. And then 6 over 10, it can be simplified, guys. It can simplify to be 3 over 5. Okay, because of 2 goes into 10 5 times, and then 2 goes into 6 3 times. I hope we together there. And quickly, let us say that 3 times 5 exponent x, it is equals to 3 over 5. And then now what's gonna happen here? Remember, our aim when we are solving x, we just wanna remain with this x. Okay, we just wanna isolate it, have x is equals to something. So now we can simply say that we wanna remove this 3. Okay, how do we remove that 3, guys? Simple, we just divide by 3 both sides. Okay, so divide by 3 here. You can divide here, or you can just decide to write neat and divide it like this. Okay, so this one will go away with that one, and then you remain with 5 exponent x. It is equals to 3 divided by 5. It is the same as 3 divided by 5 divided by 3. It is the same as 1 over 3, like that. And then this 3 will go away with that one. Okay, and now you will have 5 exponent x. This cross cancelled, and then 1 times 5, it is the same as 1 over 5. Okay, no, I'm sorry, not 1 times 5. 1 times 1, it is 1 for the numerator, and then 5 times 1, it is 5, like that. Okay, and then now we apply that law again of exponents like this, and then your answer here, x will be minus 1. Okay, since the bases are the same, we can deal away with the bases and remain with the exponents. Let's quickly do C. For C, guys, we have 9 exponent x plus 1. It's equals to 27 exponent x. Okay, guys, so quickly, without any waste of time, let us make sure that this 9, it is a prime number. So we make it 3 squared into x plus 1. It's equals to 27, guys, as a prime number. It is 3 exponent 3. Don't forget that x. Okay, then now you can simply see that the bases are the same, guys. You can just deal away with the bases. You just deal away with the bases. You remain with the exponent because of the bases are the same. Okay, so 2 into x plus 1, it's equals to 3 into x. So that's exactly what was on the exponent. Okay, and then now you can say 2 times x, it is 2x. 2 times 1, it is positive 2. It is equals to 3 times x, it is 3x. Okay, and then you can simply say that 2x, you bring 3x this side, minus 3x, and then you take minus 2 to the other side, like that. In fact, you group the terms which are the same. Okay, so 2x minus 3x, it will give you what will it give you, guys? It will give you minus x, right? It's equals to minus 2. But then we are looking for x, we are not looking for minus x. So how do you remove that minus? So you divide throughout by minus 1. You divide throughout by minus 1. Then x becomes 2, like that. Okay, so quickly, let us do D. Guys, let me just add a page quickly. Okay. Okay, so cool. I'm aiming that in 10 minutes I should be done. Okay, so D, let's do D quickly. Let us attack, guys. D. And then for D, we are having I'm sorry, guys, let me just make it a full screen. So for D, guys, we are having 16 exponent x times 2x plus 1. It is equals to 5th root of 4, like that. Okay, so quickly we are going to apply our exponential definitions and laws. Okay, so 16x, guys, can we write 16 as a prime number? So it is 2 exponent 4, don't forget that x. Okay, and then 2 exponent x plus 1, it is equals to can we, guys, just change this 4? So let us write this 4 as 4 exponent 1 over 5. Okay, I applied one of the set rules there, or set laws. Okay, so and then you will end up having 2 exponent 4x times 2 exponent x plus 1, right? It's equals to 4. You can write it as a prime number to be 2 exponent 2. Don't forget that 1 over 5. Okay, guys, and then now here you can apply your law that says whenever you are multiplying the powers of the same base, you just add the exponents, right? So you take one base and then you say 4x plus x plus 1. You have added your exponent, and then on the other side you will have 2. So there is nothing that cross cancels. So if there's nothing that cross cancels, then multiply your numerators. 2 times 1, it is 2, and then 1 times 5, because we assume that there's 1 there, it is 5, like that. Okay, then you will simply say that you have 5x plus 1, it is equals to 2 exponent 2 over 5. Okay, so you will notice that you are having the same basis and different exponents. Quickly just say that 5x plus 1, it is equals to 2 over 5. I dealt away with the basis because of they were the same basis. Okay, this only happens when you are dealing with equations. Okay, guys, so if you are having 2 bases on left and on right of an equation, you can deal away with the basis if they are the same, and then drop down the exponents. Okay, so now I'm going to say that 5x is equals to 2 over 5 minus 1, just like that. Okay, so but then remember we want x. Okay, so x will be 2 over 5 minus 1, close the bracket, divide by 5. Okay, so what I did, I divided throughout by 5. So I said this divide by 5, and then this whole part also divide by 5. I hope I'm making sense, guys. And then you, from here, you will just press your calculator and you will get your answer. Okay, so just a warning, guys, if ever I'm not your teacher or I'm not your tutor, these things you might struggle to understand, because I'm explaining to people that I know, that I have taught them the basics. So I'm just moving fast because of I know that these people knows the basics. So if ever a friend can share with you this video, possibilities are that you might not understand. So what you can do is that you can subscribe with us, and then we will break this thing to your simplest level. Okay, to your level of understanding, because of we do not understand the same. But then if you subscribe with us, we will happily detect your understanding. Okay, how do you understand, and then we will teach or tutor you according to the way you understand the things. Okay, guys, keep well. Bye, guys.